not a performance. I just want to say, I've got now a meeting with the older people's... hello. I'm just going to say that I've got now a meeting. Getting the light. I'm just saying I've got now... now I have got a meeting with the old... I've got some things prepared. I'm a bit excited, a bit nervous, but I hope they like it.
We've got one more guest today, and I'm not sure if we've got Richard or if we've got Kurt.
Yeah, guys. Yeah. Yes, I'm getting on okay. Just sticking in the house as much as possible.
I think I should just change the name on here. I'm just typing on your computer, excuse me. Oh, okay. Hello, George. Hi, George. Don't want to interrupt your call.
Let's shout him. George!
George! George!
George!
George!
Can't you mute? Just mute him.
Do you want me to mute?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've done it. You're all muted.
And I've unmuted now, so I've got the privilege of speaking. I miss George now. I hope he's okay. I hope he's okay. And he will come back and join us later. When we spoke last time, we agreed to work together on a research idea, and for this to be very much led by you as participants in the research into language and memory. And, I remember there were many of you at the time. Sylvia, for example, and also Balder, I can see in the top corner on my computer. We have in the group people who can speak all kinds of languages, all kinds of accents. There's a Welsh teacher, I believe. There's people who've been on holidays. There's people who use different dialects. For example, the Lancashire word for snake is sneak. Whatever ages you are, you know that you're capable of learning languages. And you can you can improve your health. And what's more, you can, if you have a stroke, if we are any of us unlucky enough to have a stroke, if you have a facility with language, the switching that you need for language speaking will be a useful facility for you to recover. We can use language like a kind of medicine, and it can deter and delay, it won't stop, but it can delay the onset of illnesses of the brain. I'm a kind of creative person, a playful person, and I think that pleasure and play is very much part of learning languages. I imagine there are lots of people here with grandchildren. Oh, that's, yeah, lovely. And is anybody there got grandchildren of the age of maybe very young, like 3 or something like that? Maybe they're older. But you know how 2 3-year-olds, they play with language. They like to test out rude words. They like to test out the meaning of words. They play with the difference between living things and inanimate things. You know, they can call a cat and a hat, and they can give the hat some life and play with the hat like it's almost like a cat. So I want to use the playful approach to language to make it something that we can all enjoy regardless of our experience. Hello. Hello. Yes, I lost my voice temporarily. Sorry about that. Okay, good. And I'm just going to make sure that's off. Yes, good. So can everybody see this table here?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that's my table. Welcome to Café Delay. This is a mop from the blackboard. And what is this?
A bauble.
Bauble, Christmas bauble. Very good.
Yeah.
And what is this?
Oh, it's a hat. Sailor's hat.
Yes, sailor's hat. Sailor's hat. Very nice. What is What is that?
Oh, braces.
Yellow braces. Okay. Okay, let's have a go. Anybody have a go? Anybody have a go? What's this?
Glasses.
Glasses.
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses. Brilliant. Okay.
Trilby. Trilby.
Trilby, yep.
Oh.
It's pretty obvious.
Oh. Oh.
A glove. A glove.
Gorilla hand.
Yeah, that was it.
Is it a baseball? Oh, it's a hand. Oh.
It's a hand. It's a zombie claw.
Yeah.
Terrible.
Don't worry, Sylvia. Are you thinking, what on earth is going on here? Why did I sign up for this? Margaret, you okay with this? Yeah, thumbs up, I think. Okay, so I'm going to put the objects on the table very quickly, one after the other, and I'd like you to call out the word that we just agreed each thing is called. So your microphone should be on. Ready?
Hat.
Trilby.
Trilby.
Okay.
Trilby.
Trilby, to be precise.
Braces, yellow braces.
Yes,
Yeah,
very
yellow
good.
ones. Glasses.
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
Sailor's cap.
Yes.
Hand.
Zombie hand.
Zombie hand.
Zombie hand. Oh, stethoscope.
Stethoscope.
Yeah.
That was cheating. I put in a new object. Did you notice that some people say hat, some people say trilby, some people say sunglasses, some people say glasses? Already we are demonstrating the huge variety of vocabulary and the differences, and also we can say that if we agree on a word like this one,
Trilby.
Trilby.
yeah.
Trilby.
So we are now members of the club. Yeah, Trilby. So we are members of the Trilby Club, let's say, and we agree that this word is the word we use in our culture. And in fact, this word is another thing, which is not this hat. This hat is this hat. This word is this word. But this word and this hat are only friends because we said so. You know this, and this is what we can play with for comedy. Comedians mess around with words and meaning, as you know. So, Ken, can you hear me, Ken?
Yeah.
Ken, can you think of a new word let's say, a new word for this?
Oh.
Guessing device.
Say again.
Guessing device.
Guessing device. Thank you. Guessing device. Okay, okay. And a new word for this. Anybody?
Cap. Cap.
Oh. Say, Doreen, can you say?
Cap.
Cap. Okay, yes, a cap as opposed to a sailor's hat. Very nice. Thank you, Doreen. So, what shall we call this?
Yellow lanyard.
Yellow lanyard. Oh, a very sensible group, I must say. So, very good. Yellow lanyard. Now then, any suggestions? I heard somebody, I did not, who was that? Was that?
Me. Harry, dirty hand.
Harry, dirty hand. Thank you, Dirty Harry. Thank you for your dirty hand. So, okay, I'm going to put the objects that members of the Trilby Club call what these are down on the table, one at a time. So,
Dirty hand.
Dirty hand. Dirty hand.
Yellow lanyard.
Lanyard.
Cap.
Cap. Well done, Harry.
Pass.
Trilby.
Trilby, yes.
Yeah,
Our
Trilby.
Trilby.
A listening device.
Listening device, that's great. Hear that, Ken? You taught that word, you invented that, and now it is common currency. It is being spoken in the land of the OPF.
Guessing device.
The guessing device, indeed.
A guessing device.
Did we come up with a word for this?
Glasses.
Sunglasses.
Glasses. Anything else?
Clip-on.
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
Clip on, yeah.
Clip on.
Yeah. Clip on. Okay, we'll call them clip on. That's nice. Clip on.